Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is small short update for Dreamy x50 premium model. If you have one like this, you probably will need to empty the dustbin. You probably will need to clean the filter. And this is what I just did. I washed this filter, washed this dustbin, and unfortunately, small piece came out. As you see, it has one door here. It swings. Right here, you can see it swings. And it has one more door over here. Okay, so if you have the same issue, do not panic. It is fixable. So this door is supposed to be here. I will show you how to fix it. Okay, door has two sides. One side is with the rubber. And also on top over here, you can see it has a small spring. So you need to push. You need to put your door, the rubber side, on the bottom, towards the dustbin. You have a metal piece here. You need to push it like this and hold it. Also, this piece in the center has to be up like this. So try to place it with two fingers. Put this metal piece, that right here, towards that hole. Like that. So you can feel it. It sticks in the hole like this. So as soon as you feel that, let me see, right here, yes, as soon as you feel it, you just press this down. And that's it. The door is working as it's supposed to be. So basically it came out when I was washing, and maybe I pushed too hard, and because it has a spring, it needs to be installed the right way. But it is doable. Do not panic. So basically, look, if you press it on it from inside and take it, you can take it out easy. The same way you can now press it in. Just press in, that's it, and it's working. I hope it helps. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe. I will show on my channel all of the new stuff or how to fix things with the Dreamy X50. Thank you.